Dr. Sharmishta, what I want to understand is like a layman, like a normal person who is not studied psychology, right? How do I know that my emotional well-being is not well?
Yeah.
Honestly, like फिजिकल
Yes.
वेलबींग में
Yes.
मुझे कोई चोट लग गई या मुझे
Absolutely.
कहीं दर्द हो रहा है तो बॉडी गिव्स मी दोज साइंस, राइट?
Hmm.
सो आई गो सी अ डॉक्टर.
Hmm.
इमोशनल वेलबींग में ऐसे कौन से साइंस हैं जो मुझे देखने चाहिए जिसके बाद मुझे ये अर्ली पता चल जाए कि मुझे इस वक्त एक काउंसलर की ज़रूरत है बिफोर इट गेट्स टू लेट?
A very apt and very important question put forward, Piyush. The most important thing I would like to talk about it is that when a person is going or like to be in isolation, we from our childhood it has been taught to us in social science book. पहला पेज में लिखा था man is a social animal. Okay,
Yeah,
so we
yeah.
need in a normal way we would like to have friends. We would be connecting with people. Okay, the first sign of mental health is getting damaged is a person will shift into isolation कि उसे लोग पसंद नहीं आते हैं, उसे अपनी कंपनी पसंद आती है. Okay, I'll give you an example because I deal with substance abuse and addiction prone people also. एक इंसान जब ड्रिंक करता है, when he is a social drinker, he'll drink with people. Okay, that is a sign of being a social drinker. एक बच्चा जब जुड़ता है किसी से, एक adolescent जब जुड़ता है किसी से, वो खुश होता है. A person who is completely isolating himself or herself from his own family, from his own loved ones, from his own peers, from his own associates in professional life. This is the first sign and signal which needs to be noticed. He will not understand that. The family, the friends, the associates, the people who is working with him or who is close to him should notice that ये इंसान अकेलापन ज्यादा उसके लिए प्यारी हो रही है, अकेलापन महसूस नहीं कर रहा है, उससे वो जुड़ रहा है. दैट इज द फर्स्ट साइन एंड सिग्नल टू be connecting with him more, not to leave him in isolation, not to leave him in his own company. इसलिए a person who is into addiction, he is not addiction overnight. He gets into addiction when he starts drinking by himself. That is again a first sign that he is getting into addiction problem. He's not a social drinker now. He is getting into addiction problem because he loves to drink by himself. Similarly, a person who loves to be by himself or herself is getting into his own companion, loving his own companion, trying to not reach out to others or not being vocal with others. That is the first sign and signal that your mental health is getting damaged or getting injured, or something is hurting you, that you, if you are not able to acknowledge it, somebody around you need to acknowledge that and be a strong support system for that person.
That is an amazing insight. So, if I see in my group or in my friend circle or in my family that someone is trying to isolate for any reason, maybe it can be some grief that they are going through, or maybe uh, they just like their own company and they are avoiding people, it's a very early sign. It may
Yes.
not be 100% true because हो सकता है कि उनको कुछ कम लोगों की कंपनी पसंद आती हो, सबकी कंपनी ना पसंद आती हो, because there are many people who don't want to be in groups but they want to be with certain people, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
They like to like everybody is not an extrovert, right? Some people are introvert, but being introvert is okay. But if the introvert person also doesn't want any people around him or her, then that is the early sign that proper counseling is
Absolutely.
required.
That is
And
the trigger or the signal or the
signal.
alarming bell that is to be understood, not by him. He will not understand. He will be in his own cozy mood. But it is the
Yeah,
people around him who needs to understand and help him as urgently as possible.
that's
It's
great.
an
That's
it's not only an alarm signal, it's a signal for his future to be balanced by his own loved ones.